What if your smartphone could keep you connected even when the world goes silent? Introducing the Wiko X70, Huawei's newest smartphone that dares to go beyond signal bars, redefining what staying connected really means. Built for explorers, professionals, and anyone who values reliability, the Wiko X70 uses BeiDou satellite communication, allowing you to send messages even without cellular service. In emergencies or remote adventures, this feature could be your lifeline. And when you return to the city, the phone switches seamlessly back to 5G, keeping your digital world in sync at high speed. Rugged yet refined, the Wiko X70 measures 6.35 by 2.95 inches, wrapped around a stunning 6.7-inch OLED display. With 2412 by 1080 resolution and a silky 120 Hz refresh rate, every frame feels vivid and fluid, from scrolling to streaming. And with Kunlun glass protection, Huawei's own answer to Gorilla Glass, the screen stays resilient against daily drops and scratches. The X70 isn't afraid of the elements either. Its IP54 certification shields it from dust and splashes, perfect for life on the move. This phone doesn't just look premium, it's built to endure. Capture the world with a 50-megapixel main camera, designed for clarity in any light, and a 32-megapixel front camera that brings your best angles to life. Whether it's landscapes, portraits, or moments in motion, the Wiko X70 delivers sharp, vibrant results. No filters needed. Powering it all is a 6,100 mAh battery that keeps you going longer than ever before, with 40-watt fast charging to refuel in minutes. There's no wireless charging here, but with endurance like this, you might not miss it. Available in 3 sleek colors and configurations, from 8GB RAM to 256GB, up to 12GB to 512GB, the Wiko X70 blends performance with choice. And with prices starting around $200, it offers flagship-inspired innovation at a surprisingly accessible cost. The Wiko X70, built to connect beyond limits.